What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. You can call it the vlog from now on. It's like December 20th, so we got 5 days until Christmas. It's Christmas madness at the shop right now, so headed there right now. So yeah, let's get the day started. I'll see you when you get there. At the shop, these fools, just cut them up. Well, I cut up Miguel. Then I'm getting this fool blurry. See what's up. The freshie, getting the freshie. They're going to Cali for Christmas, so give them the freshie. I'm about to show you guys how I mix my barber side in a minute when I get done with these guys. I got a new product. It's called Mod Clean. Show you guys how it works. But I'm about to finish up this blurry real quick. Look at that. Woo. Okay, so I want to tell you guys about this cool little product my homeboy put me onto. It's called Mod Clean. I'm going to put a link in the description so you guys can purchase them on Amazon too. Comes in like a count of 32. But you put 32 ounces of water in there just like you do with your normal barber side. Right, and then you open this up, and they're pre-measured, look like little Tide Pods, right? So you take this out, drop that in there, push it all the way to the bottom, right, and then you let it sit there, so it'll slowly dissolve, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's dissolved. Okay, so it's been about an hour, because I forgot, but 10 minutes is all this takes to sit, and then you're going to get a little puddle down there. All you do is pull this up, push it back down, couple times, perfectly mixed barber side every time. You don't got to worry about it. Super dope product because you should be changing this every day, so it's easy to mix. You don't have to mix a whole gallon of it and stuff like that. So super simple. I'll put a link to it in the description below to check that out. So YouTube, guess who works at Dutch Bros and came to get a haircut but didn't bring me any Dutch Bros.
Oh, man.
So I guess we'll see how his haircut turns out. No, I'm playing. About to cut some hair, a little update on the day. Cutting Chase up, I got a 1:30, and then me and Freddie are going shopping. So let's look at the before. Let's check the after. We'll update halfway through. That blurry. Hard part, boy. Super crispy. I remember the boy Chase. He looks totally different. Crispy. So you guys know Davin. I usually save Davin's life. Davin usually comes in here looking homeless. Like,
man, I need that change.
Asking for change. And then we got the
bucks.
And then we get the boy looking right. I gotta do the back still, but then we get the boy looking right.
I'm a regular.
Me and Freddie went shopping. Zule put us on to this gold stuff at Marshall's, so we went up there and we spent way too much money. We also got chicken nuggets, but those didn't stand a chance to sit around and show you. So, but show you what we got. 24 karat gold peptide infusion facial serum, jojoba oil, hydrating hemp oil with tea tree, and coconut oil, and 24 karat glow hydrating gold gel mask. Full review on these and what we're going to use them for to come later. Me too. So y'all know Charles. Today is Charles's last service for me moving back, unfortunately. So he's getting a head shave, face shave. This allows me to use all the brand new products I just bought. Obviously I'm using Tomb 45 shave gel for the head shave. I'm also going to saturate his face and head with 24 karat gold peptide infused illuminating facial serum. I'm also going to put some, actually I'm going to put this on his face. I'm going to put this on his head. Hydrating hemp oil with tea tree. Amazing stuff. Also, we're going to treat him with a 24 karat gold glow mask. It's a gel mask. It's going to be dope. We're going to hit with the facial scrubber. I had just cleaned all my brushes and everything. So we're about to get it popping. So I'll check in with you guys in a minute. service. I'm about to put on the gold mask. This is what I'm most excited about. So I'm gonna get my reaction and Charles' reaction when we get done with it. So let's see. It says it takes 15 to 20 minutes to do. I have a guy coming in about 10 minutes, so it's gonna go over a little bit, but we'll get it done. So check out this gold mask. What did you think of the service?
That full service is what I was looking for. That right there. I feel fresh, cleaner, smooth as hell. Now let me put these on. Damn.
You see the 245 shaved on, no irritation, no nothing, no nicks, no cuts. None of that. I used the same stuff on his face. You see how clean that got his face. Super effortless. Use a 245 compressor on the chops, filled in his mustache. Give him the handlebars that he always wanted and dreamed of. How's your face feel?
Like a baby's ass. Damn,
Sir.
Ooh, my girl's gonna be happy.
So right there, I'm gonna end the vlog with that. It is it was nice knowing you, Charles. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see you in Dallas, though.
Yes, you are. Yes.
So you guys are not a part of the team.
Get a part.
Get a part.
Get on the team.
Get on the team. Hit the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in another daily video. Peace.